Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today we are doing something super exciting. We're doing a Trader Joe's haul. I am a Canadian who is absolutely obsessed with Trader Joe's. And right now they have their holiday stuff out, so I just had to go and grab everything right away. All right, the first thing is we have our Thanksgiving stuffed popcorn or Thanksgiving stuffing seasoned popcorn. Sorry, I'm just way too excited. Absolutely love this packaging. Can't wait. Can't wait to have this. Delicious. And on the same lines of Thanksgiving, they also have the Thanksgiving stuffing seasoned kettle chips. And again, classic holiday item must have. There are a couple of bags of chips that I may have already opened. I'm sorry, not sorry. This is the Buffalo Ranch popcorn. I was absolutely dying to try this. And you guys, this is exactly what it sounds like. It is so good. It is not overpowering yet very flavorful. It is not very spicy, but really amazing flavor of exactly Buffalo Ranch. It's so good. 10 out of 10. Seriously, I highly recommend. And then the other thing that I was actually really dying to try that I didn't get my hands on last year were these garlic butter Irish potato chips. Honestly, I was pretty disappointed with these. They're way too greasy for my personal taste. The packaging looks absolutely adorable, and I was very excited for these, but these just were not it for me. These will not be a repurchase for me. I would give them 2 out of 10. Will I still finish this bag? Yes, but I will only eat a couple at a time because they're just way too greasy and I just not for me. But I guess, that's the thing. Like, it says garlic butter, so maybe I was wrong. And then someone went a little bit crazy in the cheese section. First thing I got was white queso dip. Love this so much. These are amazing with the horseradish. What is it? Horseradish and chives chips from Trader Joe's. This is just phenomenal. But heat it up, warm it up, and it's so delicious. Okay. Second thing I got is this ready to eat fondue, which I am like, what on earth is this? Like, I'm so excited to try this. Can't wait. Can't wait. Next, I got the brie cheese flavored spread. Hello. How can you say no to that? That sounds absolutely amazing. And then, of course, their classic unexpected cheddar cheese spread. So I got the spread as well as the cheese. Delicious. Oh my God. And then this, I believe, is a holiday exclusive item, coastal cheddar cheese truffle. Well, that's a mouthful, but I cannot wait to try this. Yum. British people, they just do amazing cheese. Oh, this next one has me salivating. Total cheese ball cheese spread. This is another holiday exclusive item, and it's made with Trader Joe's unexpected cheddar cheese, Syrah soaked Toscano cheese, and almonds. Can't read because I just want to take a spoonful and eat it right now. Another holiday. Why are these like slightly dark in the middle? Another holiday special is cheddar cheese spread. This is the unexpected cheddar cheese spread, but the holiday cheer version. Yes, if you cannot tell, I'm a little cheese obsessed and I went a little bit nuts. And another unexpected cheddar cheese is the buffalo blue flavor. I've never had this before, so I cannot wait to try. Not the biggest fan of blue cheese, but in little quantities, it's fine. Then this looked absolutely scrumptious. Everything but the pizza whipped cream cheese spread. This is with sun-dried tomatoes, garlic, and spices. Yummy. And I think is that all my cheese? Nope. One more. Oh, this one looks delightful. Double creme brie with truffle. What? How do you say no to that? Yum. Okay, moving on. I got some chimichurri sauce. And one more item that I picked up. This is actually a fall item, but you gotta stock up, is the pumpkin cream cheese spread. Okay, yum and yum. Bag one is done. Gosh, these bags are so heavy, just so you guys know. All right. Oh, okay, and someone went a little seasoning and condiment crazy, so hang in here with me. First thing I got is the pepita salsa. This is absolutely delicious. Again, it's more of a fall item, but we still eat it during winter. Then I got the crunchy chili onion oil. This is absolute must. It's so, so good. It's amazing with their soup dumplings. Yum. I also got the cowboy caviar salsa. I've never tried this one before, so excited to try that. And then I got the dill pickle mustard. I got my hands on it this year. I couldn't find it last year. It was all sold out. So very excited. All right, let's get the seasoning out of the way. I love, love, love Trader Joe's seasonings, as you can see over here. So I got everything but the bagel sesame seasoning blend. Delicious on everything. I got the 21 seasoning salute. I've never tried this before, so very excited to try it. Oh, this is my all-time favorite seasoning. If you asked me to pick one, I would pick this. This goes amazing on pasta and pizza and just anything Italian that you're making. Fries even. This is delish. Okay, then we just got the simple onion salt, the ranch seasoning blend. And then I've got some smoked paprika. I'm running out of space on my table here. Oh, yeah. Okay. Then we got some Thai style red curry sauce. And also some Thai style yellow curry sauce. Okay. These are in no particular order, guys. I'm just pulling these things out of the bag. And then I've got the vanilla sugar. I think this is a holiday limited edition thing. Vanilla sugar made with bourbon vanilla beans. Looks phenomenal. Maybe put some in my coffee on the weekends or something as a special treat. Okay, we got some hot sauces. Habanero hot sauce. All right, and then more condiment sauces. Got this Korean style. I'm not gonna pronounce that word because I just know I don't know how to say it. Sauce. We've got some General Tao stir fry sauce. Looks fabulous. And some gyoza dipping sauce. Also looks really, really good. This is to encourage me to cook more at home, you guys. And some organic toasted sesame oil. Beautiful, cute little bottle. Some basil pesto sauce. It's getting crowded in here. And my friend swears by this. Soyaki, a unique teriyaki sauce for marinating. And look at all those sesame seeds up there. That looks fabulous. Like I need to shake this up really well before cooking with it, but that looks delicious. All right. Oh, we left seasoning. Everything but the leftover seasoning. So yeah, I have every single thing I think that they make in this flavor, which is super cool. I also got the Italian style sofrito seasoning blend. Now, I have no idea if this is what Chipotle uses in their sofrito bowl, but I'm hoping it is, and then I can make my own bowls. But I have no idea, so we'll find out. It might not be though. Okay, and then I've got the Trader Joe's ponzu sauce, umami, richly umami sauce with soy sauce, bonito broth, and yuzu juice. Okay, one more Asian thing is the gochujang, Korean fermented red pepper paste. And last item that I'm so excited about. This was the item that I'm like most excited about, and it is the drinking chocolate. Oh my god, that sounds so epic, and I cannot wait. And it is the most perfect season for that. So here is the drinking chocolate, rich and delicious, dairy free. I'm Very, 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 very excited for this. So there you have it. My table is completely full of these items. Oh, wait, sorry. One more bag. Almost forgot. I was like, wait, that was feeling light. That was feeling light. Okay, but I'm going to have to make some room here. Oh, and one more seasoning that I got is the chili lime seasoning blend. So that looks absolutely delicious as well. I've tried the chips and they're really, really good. Very, very strong flavor. So I'm hoping that this will be good to make some boring items taste phenomenal. Okay, trying to push things through without breaking anything, which feels difficult right now, if I'm being honest. Okay, okay, okay. We've made some space. These are my absolute favorite crackers ever. They are the chili crackers. They're so delish. They're really good. And yes, they do have heat to them. So if you love spice, I think you will really enjoy that. And let's see what else. We got a little pack of Bamba puffed peanut and corn snack. Yum, yum, yum. Okay. And then classic, I always get these every single time pretty much. Organic white truffle potato chips. I absolutely love these. They're so good. Yum. And we've got the ghost pepper potato chips. I also absolutely love these. They're so, so good. I just love the chip type, like that lattice cut chip. It's just phenomenal. Speaking of lattice cut, they also have the ketchup flavored lattice potato chip. So again, very excited to try that. We are so fully stocked up for snacks for a really long time. And then I also got these. I really like these. The vegetable root chips, sweet potato, cassava, and taro. And we've got some tortillas to go with the two salsas that I bought. So this is the veggie and flaxseed corn tortilla chips. They're so, so good. They're all different colors, and so it's kind of really festive, you know? Last two items. We've got the Trader Joe's organic popcorn with extra virgin olive oil, organic extra virgin olive oil, and I absolutely love this. So good. So good and clean or cleaner than other things. And then, of course, I had to get the world's puffiest white cheddar naturally flavored corn puffs. Oh my gosh, the bag is so big I can barely show you guys, but that is it. So there you have it, you guys. Trader Joe's haul. Absolutely addicted to Trader Joe's. They just do such a phenomenal job. I did buy a couple of frozen things, but this is already a huge haul and I already put it away in the freezer. So I hope you enjoyed it. Next time I will try to include it. And I will see you next time. Thank you so much for joining. Bye, guys.